Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this makeup look. This is a very subtle look which I have created for my one of my colleagues' farewell party, and I think this will be very useful to you as well. I'm going to a formal event rather than a glamorous event, so keep watching, and I will be also showing you the products that I've used. In this video I've used one new product which I had never tried, but I had heard so many good things about it. Today I've decided to use a pharmacy foundation. It's Maybeline Fit Me. It's Maybeline Fit Me foundation. I've heard a lot of good things about it. It comes in a bottle. It doesn't have a pump though, but I'll see how it goes. I'm quite happy so far. Wow, it's good coverage too. This could be like my everyday foundation. I will be also going around the top corners of my eyes because good shape for my brows. I'm gonna go with the very pale eyeshadow. It's from Emporia. It's from Tarte Cosmetics. This is the best palette I have bought from Tarte Cosmetics. Very light pink shade. Guys, the dress that I'm wearing is a lilac color. And I don't know if you guys struggle with matching colors with your dresses, like lipstick and everything. And this is something that I want to do. So this is also a video which will show what makeup can go well with what dress, what color of the dress. With lilac, most of the nude peaches will go really well. Even pink will go so well, or wine colors will go well. But wine color will be more where you're going for a super glamorous party, but peachy color will be where you're going for a very subtle formal party. Hold your eyes very gently. Don't hold them really. Don't hold your eyes very hard. Hold them gently, or you can hold them with your finger. Don't do. You shouldn't be doing like this because the skin around eyes is very delicate. I think you should always be holding it like gently. This is really cool blusher. This is from Benefit Cosmetics, and it's the Living Galifornia Dream. I love its name. Just need to grab a very tiny bit quantity of this one because it has a lot of pigment. I think that's enough. I'm applying the remaining hair in here to get the. I would like to get that flushed look. Anasthesia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. You can see the difference in both the eyes. my last video as well. You have to apply it on this line, white line rather than the dark line. So that's my final look. I hope you like this look. I'll be doing more such videos where I will be showing how you can match your shadows, your lips and your cheeks, cheek colors like blushers and bronzers with your dress, and you will look flawless. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any updates from me. And if you have any questions, please post them in a comment. All the product info will be provided a bit later on the description, and I'm happy to share with you my beauty tips.